Hello everyone, welcome to the session on machining of aircraft brackets. The agenda is introduction to machining, fundamentals of machining, and what is computer aided manufacturing and what are the industry usages. What is machining? Machining is one of the process which removes the material on any workpiece to get the desired design shape with a controlled material removal process. It can be manual or automatic, and machining is a part of the manufacturing of any metal products. Generally, this conventional process will be selected to remove the material basically on a metal products, because if you take any soft products, manually hand graving is possible, but when it comes to the hard products like metals, machining is opted. Generally, there are different types of machining which you can see: turning, drilling, boring, reaming, milling, grinding, planing, sawing, broaching, ECM or EDM. There are several machining processes which comes under these all categories. It can be grinding is one of the finishing operation, and milling, it can be roughing operation or semi finishing or finishing, where each operation, each requirement, the selective machining processes will be opted. Generally, in the olden days, people used to follow the manual machining by creating step by step coding or manual creation of G codes and M codes. It will be feed into the respective machine. Further olden days, people used to do hand carving through manual machining processes. Now, if you see the manual machining, directly the entering of the code or writing of the code to the respective machine, there are different machines are involved: lathe machine for turning process, milling machine for milling process, and drilling or milling or lathe can do the drilling manufacturing process. This is one of the example of turning and milling process followed by drilling operations. So what is NC machining? Numerical control is the full form of NC, which is as an NC machine which will control the program which is fed inside the machine, which means a machine is working with the help of NC code for the removal of the material. Each program have a set of instructions in the form of numbers, letters or symbols, as I said, like G codes and M codes, where to start the machine, at what speed the spindle has to rotate, where to reach the machine, how much feed needs to be entered while cutting the workpiece. This is how a code will try to control the entire machine. The program consists of precise instructions about the manufacturing method as well as the movement. So the complete movement will be under the control of this G codes and M codes. How, where an operator will define manually. And NC machining is the method of machining using the NC machines by automating the machining process, which is nothing but computer numerical control machining process, CNC machine. Maybe nowadays you might be heard of different softwares, particularly for automating the CNC code or NC code. It used to control the motions of workpiece and the tool with a computer program written in alphanumeric data. In the olden days, people used to follow by writing the code manually and feed it to the machine, but as the technology improves, we are writing the or we are giving the programs digitally, and computer is giving the automated G codes and M codes in the alphanumeric data to feed directly in the machine. That is where this the present technology is helping us to validate prior digitally or virtually, simulate the entire workpiece, whether any collisions are happening or whether any tool is having a fast feed of machining, which really helps the operator to make the controlled CNC program prior feeding the program to the machine. And in CNC machine, the programs are fed directly into the computer using a keyboard, whereas NC machines used punch cards. Advantages of NC machining: it improves machining accuracy, it enables the complex tasks and detailing as well. It also creates the flexibility in manufacturing, it increases the safety and increases the production volume and reduces the setup changeover time. So as an overview, if I say, if we have a prior validation and simulation of an NC programming through the computers, it really helps the operator to save the time by typing the manual G codes and M codes program to operate it. That is first. And another one is, if we validate prior that the safety norms, if any tool breaks, definitely it's a challenge to the operator. There might be an accident. If any spindle hits the machine while machining, again it's a sign of security, which really helps us to validate and simulate virtually before going to the machine. And also it reduces the setup changeover time. Every time no need to set up and validate it. If we validate everything virtually, nothing to be done in the real conditions, it saves lot of complex tasks by the operator, and the accuracy of the machine will be increased, and the flexibility with respect to manufacturing will be very comfortable, along with the safety norms. There are few of the important parameters in NC programming. If we see roughing, semi-finishing and finishing. Roughing is the first strategy generally everyone will follow to remove the material little quicker and faster without any surface finish. Suppose if we have a 5 mm thickness needs to be removed, we will go till 4.5 mm thickness to remove initially with little fast feed of the machine instead of slow motion, which saves the time and it removes the material, because our main target is on last 0.5 remaining material to get the better surface finishing. And remaining 0.5 material, the semi finishing will come into the picture, will remove 0.4 mm material, which leaves 0.1 mm material still, where this finishing will play a key role to remove the remaining 0.1 mm material. That is where this roughing, semi finishing and finishing will cater. And rough stock is one of the rough material block. As per the design, we will try to create one rough block around the design block to remove the material and to get the desired design as per the design stock. So generally every operator will input the rough stock and will do the NC programming, NC machining to get the shape of the design stock. and fixtures are to just support the stock or workpiece, and feed rate and spindle speed are nothing but it depends on operation to operation how much feed rate it has to be maintained. It depends on even tool to tool how much feed rate is defined. Suppose if a particular tool which we ordered to the tool supplier, he will give this is the maximum spindle speed and feed rate needs to be followed by the tool for so and so materials. Accordingly, we have to follow this, otherwise tool might break. And NC code is one of the numerical control code which helps to create the NC generation along with the tool selection.